every day. Like,
Yeah.
wake up fresh and new, but like, you know what? All right, cool. I figured this part out. I'm going on to the next thing, and then the next thing. So, like I said, it's never really done.
Yeah.
And once you get over that hump, you're just like, you know what? Imposter syndrome. Okay, what's that? So
Right.
that's why I keep that mentality. Okay, I'm killing imposter syndrome.
Keep it humble though, because like I said, we're basically always learning. No, absolutely.
Yes,
In this field, you have to.
yes,
If the moment you think you know it all, the moment you become complacent, and the moment you become complacent, you might be out of a job.
I would keep it real. The moment you become complacent, that's when it's time for your replacement.
That's a
Hey, listen.
There you go.
It's real.
That's a bar. That's a bar. There you go. I need somebody to clip that too. That's gonna